Rick with the best of everything. We're looking at a Dasteck M42. And this adapter is for mini display port to HDMI. So here we have the mini display port in. This will go in the video card that we have in the shop computer. It keeps track of everything out there. The old one fried and picked up a deal, but the only port that works on it is the mini display port. We will go to HDMI. This has audio pass-through as well. That's really a slick little cable. It's nice and flexible. You can feel shielding in it. It's built quite well. See if we can get a look down there. And you can't quite see how the pinouts. But those are in a good solid tray that is not likely to fall apart. So, we'll probably be able to use that crap video card for a couple of years and not have to go buy another $300 NVIDIA card. Thanks to Dasteck and their mini display port to HDMI. That is just a damn handy thing. Adapters are even better or good adapters. Dasteck has some good adapters. Let's take this one out to the shop.